Hello, I'm Matt, welcome back to Workshop. I've got a few other interests apart from making things, most of them a bit geeky. One of them is EDC, or Everyday Carry. Basically, this might sound a bit strange, it's what you carry in your pockets. It might stem from my days in the Boy Scouts, or maybe I just like to have a few tools with me so I can tinker and repair things. Sorry about the traffic noise, this is why I don't talk to camera much. I've made a few EDC things on my make videos, mostly out of leather, and I'd quite like to do some more videos on the subject, but it's not for everyone and I don't want to bore people with it. I thought about doing a second channel, but I want to keep everything in one place just for the ease. Maybe I'm just being lazy, but there you go. Anyway, what I thought I would do is continue doing my build videos or workshop related videos on a Wednesday, and then on a Sunday do an EDC related video. If you have absolutely no interest in it, which I completely understand because not everyone's as weird as me, then just ignore those ones. I think that's all I've got to tell you for now. So as always, thanks for watching. Bye.